Welcome! Today, we're diving into a simple but important feature on Instagram, how to turn on commenting on your Instagram story, especially if you're using an Android device. Engaging with your followers through comments can really boost your interaction, so let's get right into it. First, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, it's time to access your story. Tap on your story, which appears as your profile picture with a colorful ring around it at the top of your profile page. This will open your current story. With your story open, look to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots stacked vertically. This is the More menu. Tap on these 3 dots to reveal additional options. From the menu that pops up, you'll find an option labeled Turn on Commenting. Tap on this, and just like that, you've enabled comments on your Instagram story. This means your followers can now reply directly to your story, sparking conversations and making your content more interactive. If you ever want to disable comments, just repeat these steps and tap Turn off commenting instead. It's a quick toggle that gives you full control over how your audience interacts with your stories. That's all there is to it. Turning on commenting on your Instagram story is a great way to connect with your followers and get real-time feedback. Give it a try next time you post a story and watch your engagement grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips to make the most of your Instagram experience.